Hello viewers, so I've just gotten the box back from CIS Flowtech. This arrived today, so let's take a look at what's inside. Now I haven't opened this up. We don't do that here, so my first time seeing it will be your first time seeing it. So let's take a look. I have to kind of do this one-handed, so see what happens here. See how ridiculously we can cut this tape. That should be close. See if we can get that open. Almost. And back to this again. That took longer than it really ever should have, but anyway. Some cardboard here. Okay, so they've already packed it nicer than I sent this out, so that's good. Of course, this time, hopefully these parts are fixed. Let's see, what's in this one? Might need two hands for this. Okay. Okay. Well, we were going to do that anyway, so that's good. I'll take a look at that later. What is this one? Okay. So that's the warm-up regulator. Wow, that looks nice. They've cleaned up the plastic there. It looks like it's been replated. Wow, that's nice and shiny. That looks great. These are new ports. Wow, that's impressive. That looks like a brand new part. Not an original part to a 35-year-old car. Nice. That's cool. I'll slide that aside and look inside this one here. So this should be the fuel distributor and then also the float arm. So yeah, I'm going to put the camera down and open this up and we'll get back to the video then. So this is the fuel distributor and the float arm. So they've wrapped it in a good bit of bubble wrap here. So let's take a look. I haven't fully unwrapped it, so let's flip it over. And that should be the bottom. Okay, oh, that's nice and clean. Yeah, there was some oil residue and things on there. So wow, that looks nice. All nice and clean. And I can see that they also, oh wow. That's nice. That's been all redone. So of course the rebuilding, that takes place on the inside, but that's nice and clean. And they did say this was all going to be replated, so that looks great. And these are the ports here, so I guess I have to install them myself. And this should be just there to keep the float arm from flopping all around. So I guess there's a little bit more assembly required, but oh, that looks great. I'm impressed. Neat. So anyway, the other night I did do a bunch of wiring on the car, so that should be getting close. So everything else that I mentioned in the update for 11/28 still needs to happen other than that. So hopefully soon we can get these parts on and see what happens. So that's that. I'm impressed. These parts look great. You know, this, if you were wondering, this was pretty expensive. This was, well, it was over $1,000, just a little bit over. But anyway, this is the only place that rebuilds them, at least that I know of. So, you know, it is expensive, but anyway, can't help it. Thanks for watching.